In front of me is Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Xiaomi. Firstly, find Tools folder and click on it. Over here select Recorder and tap on while using the app. Then choose Allow and tap on this red button to start recording. You can use the same button to pause it or unpause it. If you wish to end it and save it, click on this right button over here, then name your recording however you wish to, and save it by clicking OK. Now click on the same right button to access list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine is here. If you wish to delete it though, you can always do that by holding it, then clicking delete at the bottom right corner and choosing delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!